on the boat, going back to the main Phi Phi island, but it's all covered in clouds. Should be monkeys here, but with this weather they're up or somewhere hiding in a cave. I'm so happy we crossed the sea. It was so wild. I thought I was going to die, honestly. Okay guys, we're back at the resort, Phi Phi Blue Sky Resort, and our man there is still trying to get away. Because of the waves, it was impossible for us to come closer to the sand, and I had to swim. It was quite dangerous actually. Swim, and then especially with the bag, it was very difficult. It's very dangerous. I was worried to get the motor thingy on my head because it was always moving left, right, up, down. It was very, very difficult. But hey, we're back. It was quite an experience. I wouldn't do it again with this, or to cross to the other island there. It was way too dangerous. I'm going to take a shower now, freshen up. Also have a little injury there. Wow, it's gonna feel so good. And the weather is like this, so I think I'll just rest for the rest of the day. Grab some dinner tonight. And see you guys for the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.